Today I will show you how to use Edit Multiple. Okay. First, I'll select this. Oh no, wait. So first you will click this Edit Multiple, and then you will see dotted line here. Then you can drag it until the end. So it will show all the drawings you have, and then you can do whatever you want to the drawing. You can resize it. You can also delete it, but for this I want to resize it. So here, then after that you can hit again the Edit Multiple, and voila, it reduces all the drawing just by clicking once. You don't have